Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Yes, first up, we have these great gifts. This is an ice roller. As you can see, it's pink. And then we have these cute matching towel scrunchie and pink and white. And then the second one is purple, white, and pink. Then we have this fabulous microfiber hair wrap. Great gift ideas for the Christmas season or even Mother's Day coming up in May. Then we have these fabulous by Spa Luxury. We have the hand mask in the vanilla bean and the foot mask. And then we have the hand mask and foot mask in the candy apple. And these are just part of a larger set of items. We have two by Global Beauty Care. First one, exfoliating pink grapefruit sheet mask. And then the second one is a hydrating coconut sheet mask with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. Another set of items by Global Beauty Care. These are all calming nighttime items. The first one is the nighttime facial cleanser. The second one is a recovery facial serum. The third one is eye cream. And the fourth and final one is skin cream. Again, these are all calming nighttime beauty care. Lovely gifts. We have more great gifts. This is a 5-piece makeup brush set in two colors. This purplish color and kind of like an orangish peach color. So you have two colors to choose from. City Never Sleeps. This is multi-finish, rich pigmentation, 18 skyline inspired shades, true color payoff, hieroglyphic changing palette cover. These are character lip balms. Frosty the Snowman, it has frosted berry scented. The Minion is candy cane scented. And then Elf on the Shelf is candy cane scented. Peanuts also cane scented. These are all by Clean Color, Keepsake Kiss, Lip Tint, Smudge Proof, Long Lasting, Moisture Rich Pigment Staining Shades. Kiss Proof, and it shows you the shades of the colors, and that's what they are. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include 1, 2, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. These are $5. This is a bracelet making kit. Has 425 pieces and makes up to 8 bracelets. And it shows you how to do it. And it is just so gorgeous. The gold, black, silver. Then we have the necklace and bracelet making kit. This one only has 19 pieces, makes 1 necklace and 1 bracelet, and it has showing you everything that is included. These are wonderful gift items, or just something to do. You can save it for the summer or whenever, the winter time when it's cold. Fabulous 100 classic games. 100. You can get it now and play it on Thanksgiving, or you can even get it before Christmas and play these games around Christmas or the time the kids are out at school. So many different games you can play to keep the kids busy and occupied, and it's not expensive and off electronics. Another game you can play, tabletop arcade game, $5, ages 6 and up. A wonderful game you can play indoor, I think, and outdoor play. And you just try, whoever gets the highest score wins. This is only $1.25. It's the checker games, but it's part of that classic game collection. So if you want simple checkers or something like that. One more game by the Classic Games. This is a tabletop slot machine. But let me remind you, this game is for adults only, and it says on the package, adults only. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to watch, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Subscribe. Watch all my videos, all my DIYs, hauls, and everything. And have a great Thanksgiving, safe and sane Thanksgiving. Like I always say, be blessed until the next time and be better than yesterday.